Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to clone GitHub repository. Okay, so let's start. So you can see here, this is my repository. So there is button here, written code. So you have to click here, code. Then you have to make sure this tab is at HTTPS. Then copy this URL. It is copied. Then you can direct to a folder that you want to create that repository. Okay, so for me, I will create in this folder. So you can right click, open in terminal. So we use the command git clone. Then we paste the URL, control E, then enter. So now it is cloned. Okay, so it is done. Okay, it is done. So now you can navigate to your folder. Okay, just type the repository name cd. It is Python. When you click tab, it will complete. Okay, yeah, so you can try to check git status. So you can see this message. Okay, on branch main, your branch is up to date with origin / main. So here it means that you have already cloned the repository. Even we can see here Python programs, and all of the programs are here. So this is simple. And okay, if you have selected to view hidden files, you can see this .git. This is because I have shown it here hidden items. But if it is hidden, you can see just like this. Okay, so this is how to clone your GitHub repository.